Until now, the dossier comparison was dedicated to the comparison of dossiers created from the same parent entity, from the same substance or the same mixture. The comparison was then highlighting differences between two dossier updates. I will illustrate this with an example. I go to the list of mixtures for that, and I look for dossiers created for mixture 1. Here I'm in the list of datasets, and I will open mixture 1. In View Dossier option, I can see all the dossiers created for mixture 1. I will select the most recently created dossier, which is open now, and from this dossier I can launch the comparison feature to select the dossier from mixture 1 I want to compare this last dossier with. So I will select the oldest dossier from the list, which is this one. The comparison is started and the comparison report is generated. I can open it, it's an HTML report. This comparison highlights the differences between two dossiers for the same mixtures. You can see that the source of the dossier that is being compared is for mixture 1 and the target is also for mixture 1, but these are two slightly different versions of the same dossier content. I scroll down the comparison and I can see that the most recent dossier is my source record and the oldest dossier is the target. I can see that they have identical dossier header. They are both poison centers notification under the CLP regulation. They have also the same name of the mixture 1, but the content is different, and we can see what are the differences. I can see that a new substance was added only in the source document in the most recent version of the dossier. These two substances are the same between the source and the target. The legal entities are the same, and there were some changes at the level of the reference substances. If I want to see the differences done at the level of the mixture, I go to the mixture and I see that in the source new identifiers have been added, and there are other identifiers which did not exist before. So this allows you to compare differences between different versions of dossiers created from the same mixture. And while this is the main use case for dossier comparison, there might be several reasons why you would want to compare dossiers that are not made from the same parent entity. Under the EU biocidal product regulation, for example, different product datasets can be created for slightly different products. There might be a need to compare these dossiers to identify what are the differences between two slightly different products. I will now perform a comparison of dossiers, the first one created for mixture 1 that I will compare with the dossier created for mixture 2. I go to my list of mixtures. I will access the dossiers that are available for mixture 1. I view the dossier. I will select the latest version of the dossier for mixture 1, and when going to the dossier comparison, I will not only show dossiers for mixture 1, but all the dossiers, and filter for dossiers made from mixture 2. I will compare with the latest version of the dossier for mixture 2 in that case. So the comparison report that is generated will highlight differences between two products. Before the improvements brought in the April 2022 release, the comparison would only have highlighted that everything was different, as the compared mixtures did not have the same unique identifier. Now, in this new version, when the subject of the dossier do not share the same unique identifier, like in this case, you have mixture 1 compared with mixture 2 in the target, then the comparison tool will compare each document per type in the order of appearance in the dossier. So the comparison will be done section by section, trying to find equivalent records for both mixture types. This will allow highlighting differences between two different mixtures. In that case, I can see that both dossiers are poison sensors notification, but not for the same subject. The mixtures are different, and I can see how they are different. The two mixtures share the same substance here, but there is one additional substance for mixture 1. The legal entities are the same. If I want, for example, to dive into more details for the dossier header, I can click here on different, and I will see that the PCN number for these products are different. The country or the market placement countries are different, Austria and Belgium. The languages are different as well. So this extension of the dossier comparison really provides more powerful search tools when the user wants to compare two different mixtures.